Today we're going to be changing out the driver's seat switch on our 2005 Ford Mustang. We know it's our switch because the seat will go up and down, but it won't go forward and backwards. But if we do it at a strange angle, we can get it to move. So, which I'm not fortunately able to do right now, but anyway. So we're going to switch out this switch. Tools you'll need for this are a pry tool and a flathead screwdriver. So let's get started. Just take your pry tool and it pops right off. Just like that, and that's how it's supposed to look. And then we have to take this off. There we go. So there's two pins. There's a pin over here and there's a pin up here that holds your bezel into the seat. But I'm going to start with this one first. I'm just going to pull that out like that. You can use your finger. You don't need a pry tool. You don't have to pry this one out, and it's better if you don't, so you don't break it. So what we're going to do is we're going to pry this out of here. Just push down on that and push down on that. And I'll release it from there and the other side of the bottom. And now you can get it out. And just push down on this pin right here. See that? Comes right up. Now we're going to put our new switch in before I take the top off here, just to make sure that everything's working. Yep. So, yeah, going forward and backwards now. Just testing it out. Okay, not broken, just the way it sounds. Of course, I got the extra cap anyway. Remember, it goes in like this. Okay, just slide it in here, like that, and it comes out like that. Put our lid back on, like that. Put this in the hole. There's a hole right here. See that? This wire gets in the way, so you have to put that wire. Good. Got that? Now just pops on. And that's how you fix your power seat switch on your 2005 Ford Mustang. Like I said, ours wasn't going forward and backwards, but we knew the switch worked because every once in a while we'd be able to get it to go forward and backwards. We got our switch from eBay, and we'll put a link in the description for you, but you can find them on eBay. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.